Hi viewers, this is Mazhar Bas with a new video how to calculate quantities of cement, sand and aggregate for a 20 feet by 20 feet slab. Viewers, before going to start my video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload any video. Now come to the question. The question is how much quantities of cement, sand and aggregate required for a slab 20 feet by 20 feet having thickness 6 inch. The grade of concrete is M25. Now first of all we will make data. We have area of slab which is given in question 20 feet by 20 feet. So we have area 20 feet by 20 feet slab. The thickness of slab is also given in question which is 6 inch. Now volume of concrete, we cannot the formula for volume of concrete is length into breadth into height of slab. So the length of slab is 20, the breadth of slab is 20 and the third height means thickness of slab is 6 inch. If we multiply these factor with each other we will get the volume of concrete. These twos are in feet and this is in inch, so we divide by 12 to convert this 6 inch into feet. So we multiply these three factor and we get 200 cubic feet. This is the volume of concrete which will be poured in 20 feet by 20 feet slab. Now in question the grade of concrete is given as M25. So grade of concrete is M25 which mean 1 1 2. M25 ratio is 1 1 2. It is very important for further calculation. Now come to the other, dry volume. Viewers, dry volume is equal to wet volume multiplied by 1.54. And what is wet volume? The volume of concrete. The volume of concrete is actually its wet volume. So we put value 200 cubic feet multiplied by factor 1.54. So multiplying both we get 308 cubic feet. This is the dry volume which will be used in next calculation. Now comes to the quantity of cement. Viewers, quantity of cement is equal to dry volume multiplied by cement ratio divided by sum of ratio. Now dry volume is 308 multiplied by cement ratio. We will get cement ratio from here, from grade of concrete. This is cement ratio, this is sand ratio and this is aggregate or crush ratio. So cement ratio is 1, we put here, divided by sum of ratio. Sum of ratio we get here 1 ratio 1 ratio 2. We will add them, 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4. So the sum of ratio is 4. Now we will multiply this with this and divide by 4. After solving we get 77 cubic feet. So the quantity of cement required for 20 feet by 20 feet slab is 77 cubic feet. But we know that we always need quantity of cement in number of cement bags. So you must know one cement bag is equal to 1.25 cubic feet. The volume of one cement bag is equal to 1.25 cubic feet. So we divide 77 cubic feet by volume of one cement bag. Then we get number of bags and it will come 61 bags. You can check by your own calculation. 77 divided by 1.25 and it will come 61 bags. So for 20 feet by 20 feet slab the number of cement bag required is 61 bags. Now comes to the other calculation, that is for quantity of sand. For quantity of sand formula will remain same, dry volume multiplied by sand ratio divided by sum of ratio. Dry volume is 308 as we calculated earlier, multiply by sand ratio. I told you earlier sand ratio is 1 because grade M25 mean 1 1 2. So grade of ratio of sand is 1 divided by sum of ratio. Sum of ratio is 4. After multiplying and dividing by 4 we get 77 cubic feet. So the quantity of sand required for 20 by 20 feet slab is 77 cubic feet. We do not need to convert into any other factor because we can ask any vendor to give us sand 77 cubic feet sand. Now come to the third one quantity, which is quantity of crush or quantity of aggregate, which is equal to dry volume multiplied by crush ratio divided by sum of ratio. We know the dry volume is 308. Crush ratio here, crush ratio is 2 because grade M25 mean 1 1 2. The third is crush ratio or aggregate ratio. Here the crush ratio is 2 divided by sum of ratio, which is equal to 4. After solving these value we get 154 cubic feet. So the quantity required for 20 feet by 20 feet slab, the quantity of crush required is 154 cubic feet. Now we come to the conclusion. For 20 feet by 20 feet slab, a slab whose dimension are 20 feet by 20 feet, the quantity of cement required is 61 bag. Quantity of sand required is 77 cubic feet and the quantity of aggregate is 154 cubic feet. This is very important. Viewer, I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back having another video. Thanks.